Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine kids. In this video, we'll read the words begin with blend fr, fr. F sounds f, R sounds r. R together says fr. Okay, so FR sounds fr, fr. They together say fr, fr. Okay, now we'll read some words. Fr, oot, fruit. Fr, oot, fruit. Next, fr, ok, frog. Fr, og, frog. Next, fr, ends, friends. Ends, friends. Next, fr, eyes, fries. Magic of is here. Fr, eyes, fries. Next, fr, own, frown. Fr, own, frown. Fr, aim, frame. Fr, aim, frame. Fr, ox, frozen, frozen. Fr, o, froz, zen, frozen. Next, fr, I, fried, a, day, Friday, Friday. Now, QU sounds quo, ick, quick, read, quick, read. Now, we'll read sentences. We eat, EA sounds E, okay? We eat French, French. We eat French fries. We eat French fries on Friday. Okay, we eat French fries on Friday. Next, the fruit is frozen. The fruit is frozen. Okay, now you will also read this page at your home. Bye bye.